everybody, welcome back to Krueger Family Farms. It is about, I'd say it's about 9:30 at night here. And right now, hold on, let me flip the phone real quick. I'm bush hogging. I'm bush hogging field edges right now because tomorrow I'm hoping to cut hay. Hoping. Key word. Going to and hoping are two different things. I'm hoping I can cut hay. That's if Mother Nature wants to play nice. Because we're calling for rain. We're calling for rain for about Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week, and you can't make up your mind on the weather. It goes from being 80% chance of rain to 0% chance of rain, back up to 80% chance of rain really fast around here. But summer, well, I'm looking at it this way. It's summer. The weather right now has been so unpredictable. There'll be a 0% chance of rain in the morning, and by afternoon there's like a 90 to 100% chance of rain, and get missed by it. So I don't really believe Mother Nature to the point of I might cut hay tomorrow, but I know how it goes. If I cut hay down, we're going to get rain. It's always the way it goes. You cut hay, you get rain. You don't cut hay, you don't get rain. It's lose-lose. So, what I'm thinking tomorrow I'm going to do is, before church, I'm going to have to run into Ace Hardware quick, pick up some bolts, I converted the 966 over to Pioneer fitting yesterday. Everything is Pioneer now. Other than the 1566, that's that. But I'm not doing that quite yet. Because I got them hooked up to the baler right now, the round baler. Whether we're keeping it yet or not, I don't know. As far as I know, I really like it. I want to keep it. I think it'll be a good machine. I hope it's a good, reliable machine. I haven't seen a reason why it wouldn't be. I'm just mowing field edges right now because I really don't want to get electric fence caught up in that hay bind. Because if I get it wrapped around that conditioner, that's going to be a horrendous to get unwrapped. Yeah, right now I'm talking field edges because I want field edges cleaned up before I cut hay. Because I'm not usually the one that cuts hay, and my great uncle used to do it, my nephew, we're doing it ourselves. Also, we got the 966 problem figured out why the hydraulics wouldn't raise the blower. We fixed it. So, tomorrow, oh yeah, I was thinking tomorrow I'm gonna cut some hay down. It's a gamble. It really is. I'd have to cut it tomorrow, if any day, because I have to be able to bale by Thursday. Oh, fireflies are out. The fireflies are out right now. Don't know if you can see them. But anyways, I'm hoping to cut hay tomorrow. I really am. I need to get hay cut and baled. Because we're leaving from the door on Friday, so we're leaving early Friday morning. So yeah, I'd have to have hay baled Thursday, so I'd have to tell the boss, because I'm supposed to work Monday through Wednesday. I'll have to tell him on Monday that, because I got called in last Thursday. Actually, boss told me Wednesday that he needed me Thursday. I'm going to tell him I cannot work this Thursday because I'm down for round bale hay. Well, the 966 is hooked up to the hay bind right now. 1566 is hooked to the round baler right now. Only downside of the 1566 is I need a new alternator for it. For some reason, my dad thought the alternator was bad as the 9. I'm like, no. Because the alternator is a 1566. Burnt one of the batteries it made the battery start smoking. Like, the alternator was overcharging it, so my dad just said screw it, went through, unplugged the alternator, never had a problem with it. Or I don't think he did. I never had a problem with it afterwards. Hold on, let me throttle down. I'm running the RPMs a little higher than 540 like that. Like a 576-ish is where I'm running them right now. 567, 558, 576. It's bouncing back and forth depending on where I'm at and how heavy of the material I'm in is. But I'm not from the Castleton tomorrow. I don't know when Curtis and Castleton. I hope it's at 8:30 in Castleton tomorrow, because I do need to get in and get those U-bolts picked up for the hydraulics. Because they're kind of must-have for it. So my dad even went through and threw some fancy spray paint on the bracket we're making for the hydraulics. After he welded it up, he painted it a good old red. You may be able to tell I'm a whatever gets the job done kind of guy. I really do like my John Deeres. But the internationals we have on the farm here are the B's and E's. first tractor I want to ever buy is going to be either a 7600, 7800, or 7810 John Deere front wheel assist, full power shift, hopefully with wheels in the back. But I mean, I don't need duals. I could run our disc with front wheel assist with tractors that size. Could the 966 run the disc? No. No, it could not. Can the 15? Oh yeah, the 15 will run it any day of the week. Cultivator 15 will run that any day. Same with the 9. The hay bines? Nope, 15 won't run it. We've got a 540 PTO to the back of it. Wrong baler? I mean, 9, I wouldn't want to run it with the 9, but if I had to, I could. I'd rather run it with the 15. Because I need the drawbar clevis on it, which I have on the back of the 15, not on the 9. 66. Which the 966 is designated for cutting hay regardless. That's just a 966 design. Holy crap. Oh, wow. Bush hog with now a hay bine or a mower conditioner. I got a couple shout outs I'm going to give tonight. First one goes out to Evan Wiersma. Ev, you're a great guy. You're doing great things in the world. Hopefully have a lot of fun in college and make a lot of friends. Next is McCoy Ferguson. Congratulations on your new job, bud. We need a lot of people like you all in the law enforcement industry. You're going to do very well with your job. All I'm going to tell you is be safe. I'm going to give a shout out to my dad and grandpa too for all the help they've given me to get stuff worked on today and working. Today was a long day of working on equipment. I can't remember a day longer than today where we've been actually wrenching on equipment all day. I spent the whole day under the hay bine working on that. Trust me, I'm something today. Jack Everson, give you a shout out too. Keep being the great guy you are. Treat the lady friend with all the respect you deserve. Because, Jack, you're very lucky to have her, and she's very lucky to have you. Don't mess it up. It's not worth messing it up. I could give a shout out to somebody because they put me in one of their TikToks the other day and kind of caught me off guard when I saw it, actually. It was actually yesterday I saw it. I ran in going with gas. One of my buddies called me and said, "Hey, did you see such and such new TikTok?" I'm like, No. I'm like, why? Well, they got a picture of you with her in it. I'm like, who? And then he told me who, and I'm like, no shit. I mean, no kidding. I honestly think that individual might like me a little bit because she all of a sudden does that out of the blue and rejected me quite a few times and then all of a sudden posts a TikTok of me. Yeah, I think something's up there. Plus, word from Central Cass that she graduated with me this year. I'm not going to say her name, because that'd be mean. Or weird, I get, not mean, it'd be weird. Let's phrase that. And I don't want to make her uncomfortable. That's not a good thing to do. Well, I'm on pulling up across this ledge here. But yeah, I don't know if that individual likes me or not. But if she does, why'd she reject me as many times as she did? Which, I guess it's her loss for rejecting me, so. Plus, I did about my most expensive purchase of my life a little while ago here, a couple weeks ago. I bought myself a round baler for the farm. I bought it. $4,500 cash. So yeah, I mean, people don't realize that kind of stuff. But people don't realize how good of a guy I am, how well I try to treat people, but also, not only that, I know. I always treat girls as good as I can because they're somebody's daughter. They're no respect that you get. Some of the things that guys say about those days is just horrible. If I ever got caught by my parents saying that type of stuff, I would get whooped. So yeah, I always try to be a gentleman. Close the doors. The girls are having a bad day. Tell them they look good. Trust me. Some of them really do. If that one individually, I wouldn't say I could not call her ugly. I couldn't. It's just, I can't be mean to her all the time. I really want to say who it is, but other people from my school know who it is, so. Plus, a couple of my buddies already knew about it before I did. Yeah. I just got back up to the yard here. It's still cold. I like to go over the 966 that was that rig. Yeah, but the phone doesn't die on me. My phone's got like 8% of my last one, so it's getting low. But yeah, I'll go show you guys what I did to the hay bind today. Oh, dropped my glove. Oh yeah, I also burnt the crap out of 3 of my fingers today when mistakes happen when you grab a, it's probably about a couple 100-degree bolt with your bare fingers, and yeah, it's fun. So, went through today, replaced a few rock guards down here. This rock guard right here is brand new. And then I put some new sickle knives on here. Went through, got everything working on the back of the tractor here. These fittings up here are all Pioneer now. They're all converted over. And up here in the cab, we got the hydraulic remote working again. It's still got too much play to it, but whatever, it's part of life. So tomorrow when I cut hay, I'm gonna have to be running in high range, which you can't see it right now. High range and first gear. It's in first gear, right? It's in neutral, but the shifter says it's in first for the ranges, but it's in neutral. And then the 1566 has the alternator out of it right now, because I'm replacing that. And then got all the twine in the baler. It was $4,500 to buy this thing. Case IH 8465 automatic.